Hello traders, today was crazy day on the market because of the news. We had non-farm payrolls, one of the most important news we can have in our microeconomic calendar. Unusual date because most of the time we got this kind of news on the first Friday of the month, but they've been moved to today. So 2:30 today we had some very important news. Probably you could see that on the charts. So we didn't trade before. We moved our session 1 hour later and we were looking for some opportunities. So guys, I want to make summary of today. Let's start from myself because I hit stop loss, very small stop loss because that was very low risk for the trade. I knew it's a risky trade. I knew that I can lose money, but I took a risk and I lost $1,000. It's not much, but it's still a loss. So I'm not hiding anything. I didn't trade anymore, so I didn't place any more trades, but basically we had some other traders. So Paweł Krynicki has his trading session. He had a trading session in the morning, 10 a.m. and he placed trade, and I think he got profit more than $4,000. And Lucas, during our live trading session this afternoon, make very nice profit on Nasdaq of I think more than $2,000. Risk to reward 1 to 2 and 5. So very nice profit. And I will show you also trades from Rafał from yesterday's session. Okay, so you can see on the screen this plan is from today after the news. We were waiting for the price to come back to this area, and then I wanted to open this trade basically, but the price moved straight up, so we couldn't use that. Next trade, this is from Tomek. I think it's the very nice plan, and we cannot use it today because the price came down, okay? So we are going now in different direction, but maybe tomorrow this plan will be valid. So we're gonna still look for that plan tomorrow, guys. So this is still valid. This is crude oil. We are expecting the price to get to near to this high. There is volume level. We got some target cluster, and we are expecting reaction. So here you can see 1-to-1 pending order, but probably we're gonna use our volume footprint to spot the right place to enter the position, and we're gonna try to make more than 1-to-1. We're gonna try to make between 1 to 2 or 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. So tomorrow, fingers crossed, we're gonna get there and we're gonna use that plan. Next one, over here you can see Paweł account. I think he placed 4 trades today. Whoa, 4 trades from Paweł in the morning, you can see. And take profit of $600, take profit of $174, $1,200 and $2,840. 4 different instruments: Bitcoin, gold, US 500 and euro. So yeah, Paweł opened the trades, got nice profits today of $4,800 in total. Very nice trades from Paweł. Okay, next we got some loss here. I think it's from Rafał's session from yesterday. We can see probably, okay, this is Rafał. Yeah, I think Rafał placed trade over here, or was it Paweł? I'm not sure now, but I think it was Rafał, and we had some stop loss because, yeah, we had some stop loss on this trade. This plan is on US 500. The trade was open, but the price came back and we had break even on this trade. So yeah, pretty good. Anyway, break even, it's okay because you are not losing anything. So trade was secured. The next one, what do we have here? I think from Paweł Krynicki, trade open on volume red. We had target, so he placed order for reaction 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and I think he's got profit from this trade. Euro USD, yes, probably yes. We could see the results I've showed you before. And next one, this was gold. Gold also, I think that the trade was placed in liquidity zone. We had reaction, and this trade also, I think Paweł had nice profit from this trade. US 500, US 100. This is my trade. That was a risky one because I decided to not to wait for breakout and confirmation. We usually wait for breakout and confirmation to go up. I didn't want to wait for the confirmation. That's why I placed pending order. The price got to this area and they dropped down, which result in stop loss. So I lost $1,000. Yes, guys, I had loss. That's okay. Not too big loss, but still a loss. Okay, another plan was on GBP USD, but we had double top. We went into liquidity zone, and while I was waiting for the breakout, retest the support zone, and to enter the position, one of our setup for a basic sell, but the price went up, so we couldn't use this trade basically. So that's how we trade today. I had stop loss. Pablo got profits, 4 trades, a total profit of $4,800. I cannot show you Lucas' trade, but maybe I can show you how he entered the position. I will explain it to you. Nasdaq. Lucas placed pending order right here to go down with stop loss above this high, and his take profit was 2.5. Okay. So that was his trade. He got full take profit. That was during the live trading session. So you could basically see that trade and you could see how Lucas was opening the trade. Very nice trade. You can see the price dropped down immediately, 15 or 20 minutes after he had take profit. So very nice trade by Lucas. So yeah, today, guys, we were trading like together. Lucas was trading on our live trading session. I was trading. Pablo had another live trading session. Rafał had live trading session yesterday, and also Tomek joined us today with his trading plans. So a lot of going on every single day, guys. I'm looking forward for tomorrow because I need to get nice profit. Because on Monday I had loss, Tuesday I had profit, and Wednesday I got loss. Only $1,000 loss in total, but guys, you know, it's still a loss. I need to finish week with profits, or I want to close week with profit. That's what I want to do. So we got another day tomorrow, Thursday, another day on Friday. So fingers crossed. We're going to look for some good setups, of course, and we're going to try to make some money. So if you want to join our live trading session, you can do that every single day because we are on YouTube at 9 a.m. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any of our sessions. And the rest of our sessions are internal on Discord channel. So if you want to have full access to our live trading session, contact us and we will explain you how you can get full access. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I'm out. I'm not trading anymore. Tomorrow morning we're gonna start again. That's it. We finished for today. So guys, thank you for today. Thank you for being with me on our live trading session, and I'm looking forward tomorrow. It's gonna be a great day. Thank you once again, and I wish you all the best, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.